What size SSD do I need for my Xbox 360?
Welcome to today's video. We'll be discussing the ideal SSD size for your Xbox 360. The Xbox 360 originally used hard disk drives, HDDs, for storage, but you can replace them with solid-state drives, SSDs, for faster performance and quicker load times. Let's explore the options and help you make an informed decision.
What are the SSD size options for an Xbox 360?
When it comes to SSD sizes, there's quite a range to choose from. Here are the most common sizes you'll find. 120 gigabytes. This is the smallest SSD size recommended for an Xbox 360. It provides enough space for a few games and some saved data. 250 gigabytes. A more popular option, offering more storage for a larger collection of games and media. 500 gigabytes. Ideal for gamers with a vast library. This SSD size allows for many games, DLCs, and media files. 1 terabyte. For the most dedicated gamers, this SSD size will accommodate an extensive collection and ensure you don't run out of space anytime soon.
How many games do you plan to install?
When deciding on an SSD size, it's important to consider the number of games you'll want to install on your Xbox 360. On average, Xbox 360 games take up around 5 to 8 gigabytes of storage each, but some may be larger, especially if they include additional DLCs or updates. Make a list of the games you plan to play and their respective storage requirements to get a better idea of the SSD size you'll need.
Do you need storage for additional media?
Aside from games, you may also want to store movies, music, or other media on your Xbox 360. In this case, you should consider a larger SSD size to accommodate these files. Keep in mind that HD movies can take up anywhere from 4 to 10 gigabytes each, and music files can vary from a few MBs to several GBs depending on your collection size. In summary, the ideal SSD size for your Xbox 360 depends on your gaming and media needs. For casual gamers with a few favorite games, a 120 gigabytes or 250 gigabytes SSD should suffice. However, if you have a large game library and additional media files, a 500 gigabytes or 1 terabyte SSD might be a better option. Remember to consider both the number of games you plan to install and the additional media you'll store on your Xbox 360 when making your decision. Happy gaming!